Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a great expiry. Um, we did a live trading today for expiry setup, and I think there was one stop loss and two good trades. We made decent money in the live trading. Before that, obviously, I had given two trades, and both trades were rocket, right? I think one I took live with my mentoring students when I was explaining the role of VIX. The other one I had given to everyone 48,940 was the level below which I had given a short. Touched 48, sorry, 45,940 was the level below which I had given a short. The bank nifty actually went all the way down, right? From 45,940. I think here, this is where the setup triggered here, right? Around 10:15 it triggered, and then it went all the way down to 45,622. So here the premiums actually moved a lot to 180 to 200 points minimum. The ATM and OTM premiums have moved. So I hope everyone made decent money out of these trades that we posted live and free, right? Now coming to market tomorrow. So guys, VIX, right, is causing a concern. Now, many people ask the question, why is the VIX falling? It's because month-end expiry, Nifty expiry is happening before, so a lot of out of the money options are getting closed, right? And that is where the premiums, the VIX was controlled. Given the VIX was falling, the PE premiums also did not move much as opposed to what it would have done had it fallen 300 points otherwise, right? And in last half, there was a great recovery. The recovery primarily aided by, in fact, everyone, but primarily HDFC Bank gave a good recovery. So now for tomorrow, what are the levels? कल के लिए क्या level हो सकते हैं? Bank Nifty is trading in a narrow channel. If I take out this opening, right, it's a narrow channel in which Bank Nifty is trading. Let me take this. Now, if you see, it's going up. Now, tomorrow, right, I will keep very close eye on this place 45,927. I need a solid body closing retest, and then I will take a trade towards 46,152. Tomorrow, do not expect a lot of action. The reason why I say it is very simply put, right? Think of it. We have a Fed event, a big Fed event which has been lined up. Um, Thursday is the expiry. I think most of the traders would like to stay light. So tomorrow, I think both the put and call side, it will be volatile. It will be volatile both sides in a very narrow range. People will try to close off their positions before a big event. So you will not personally get any big reward for holding on to trade, and it will be difficult for you if you kind of continue to hold it, right? Reduce your quantity tomorrow and take a trade. Tomorrow I am expecting option sellers day, a very controlled movement. Better thing will be to look at stock options, right? And if you get some movement in, again tomorrow, the problem is monthly expiry, so stock options won't be available to in most of the discount brokers platform. So again, avoid trading. My simple thing, avoid trading. We will not get any big movement. We will lose our capital, right? If we take a trade, we will lose our capital. So spot clearly saying that if it opens gap up, takes a retest, then go 120 points. If it opens gap down near 45,640, I want to see at a bullish candle, I'll take a trade for 45,810. Flat opening, I'll take a trade for 45,702. My simple strategy tomorrow is to take trades this way, right? Extend my I will not extend my trading beyond this, right? I will not extend my trading beyond this. Simple strategy, right? Now, if I think of it, right, what else can we plan, right? What else can we plan for the day? In between, if market actually consolidates in a narrow range, creates an impulse leg here from 45,702, I can get a long till 45,860. So these are the only trades that I am planning for the day. These are the only trades that I am planning for the day, right? No more trades for the day. This is it, right? um, let's go to the spot chart, right? Is giving limited idea. Let's look at the component chart, right? Component chart, clearly HDFC Bank is in a band where 1690 or 1688 will be support, 1699 will be resistance. Kotak was bearish in the first half, but then it took a support at 1857, went all the way up to 1882. Right now, it can trade between 1860 and 1880. ICICI, actually this triggered the rally, right? Tomorrow, if it opens flat, consolidates at 996, Watch out for the targets of 1000 here. Axis again led the rally. It's closed at a good place. If it opens gap down around 960, it can go all the way to 967. SBI again, good rally in the second half. Probably there is a result also expected sometime this week or next week in SBI. So around 607, I will again take long in SBI. IndusInd was full day, it showed profit booking, but it is trading near support. Let it come all the way to 1408. We'll then decide what to do with it next, right? But components are also more or less neutral to add support. So you will see if there is a gap down, there is a decent movement. If I see the option chart, right, this one halved in the last 2 hours, right? From 440 it came half to 220. Interestingly, this option, if it doesn't break 191 and stays between 220 to 250 and then breaks out from 275, you can buy for the targets of 362. Obviously, you will have to book profits in between. CE, right, 45,700 CE, very interesting, should not break 291, between 320 and 340, consolidate in first 10-15 minutes above 354, take the trade for the target of 425. CE is looking more promising. Even if it gaps down, I think we'll see a decent movement there, right? Now coming to Nifty, right, this is a story on, we won't analyze Fin Nifty because limited things to look at there. Tomorrow is a fresh week, you can kind of leave it. Nifty 50 proper channel formation, right? I have again taken a slightly different place. Nifty is looking better, in better space above 19706. You can take a trade for targets of 19768. Nifty has actually, interestingly, it has protected, if you go to the daily chart, right, it has protected its 10 EMA, right? It has protected its 10 EMA, which is very interesting from a Nifty standpoint. So if you see, right, it swept below, but it has protected this level. It came all the way down to 615 and given a good candle. Yes, tomorrow if it comes right above, it goes above this, Nifty can be bullish, right? Now why do we feel so? Now why do we feel so? Very simple, right? Look at the components of Nifty. Nifty IT, right, did not break much. Bank Nifty was flat. FMCG less, but if you see, right, pharma, healthcare, everything is showing some signs of recovery with the result season, right? I think one or the other sector will help Nifty stay afloat, and that is where we personally feel that it should it should give a good return, right? If you go long on Nifty rather than Bank Nifty probably will see how it translates, right? From a component standpoint in Nifty, Reliance and Infi, we want to observe. Reliance has actually flat for last few days, probably above 292492, right, can go all the way to 2500. The moves look restricted in Reliance. Infi had taken a beating post result, but now it is holding these levels above 1342. You can see 1349 and above, right? So Nifty also looks more neutral to bullish. Gap down, if it opens, then you will see a proper recovery there, right? So that's it, friends. I think nothing else to discuss. Stay light tomorrow, do not try to go very aggressive. Fed meeting will get the outcome in the night. I think we should be in a good space to take a trade there.